We're going to make camarones a la plancha my way. They are so good, they're going to leave you wanting more. We're going to start by making the salsa. We're going to need 2 chile guajillos, deveined and de-seeded, 2 chiles de arbol. If you don't want them spicy, you do not have to add them, 1/4 of an onion, and a large garlic clove. So we're going to set a pan on medium heat with 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and we're going to add the onion and the garlic. Let that cook for 2 minutes. Then we're going to add the chiles. Let it cook for about 3 minutes more. Careful that they don't burn. Once they cool down, we're going to add them to the blender with 2 tablespoons of mayo, the juice of 3 limes, salt and pepper, and 1/4 cup of water. We're going to blend really well until the salsa changes in color to this bright orange. Then we're going to place the salsa in 2 separate containers. One will be used on the shrimp, and the other will be used as a dressing. Now we're going to take our shrimp, and we're going to cut them butterfly style. We're going to split them in half and devein them. Now we're going to go ahead and season them with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And we're going to brush the salsa we blended onto the shrimp. Once they're nice and coated, we're going to heat up our pan or comal on medium heat. And once it's hot, we're going to add some butter, and we're going to add the shrimp. Then we're going to add the salsa to the other side of the shrimp, and we're going to let the shrimp cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Finally, we're going to sprinkle them with the juice of 1 lime, and they are ready. I served them with this buttery rice. Can't forget the dressing we made. And now your camarones a la plancha are ready to enjoy.